Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this OhO Sunshine Translation Smart Eyeglasses. So this is going to be a 1-month review video. Get into it and let me show you everything that it comes with, all the features it has, and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So here's the sunglasses. You can see the color is a tortoiseshell color, classic material. So this is the sides. The inside, you can see this is where you charge it with the USB-C. This button right here is how you turn it on and off and how to answer the phone calls. This button right here lets you raise the volume, lower the volume, and then move to the next track if you're listening to music with this. It comes with this case. There's a little clip if you want to clip it on. Here's a USB-C charger that it comes with. And it also comes with different lenses that you could change out. So here's your slightly tint glasses. You have a polarized gray color glasses. Here's a blue light filtering clear glasses. And then it also comes with the mirror coating polarized sunglasses. To change them out is very easy. You just pop out the lens, like so. You pop out the lens to put it in. You start with from the top to the outside, and then you push it in from the inside. And then you find a groove. All right. So now I just gotta pop this in. So I got it inside. Same as the other side. Start from the outside. Put it inside the groove. See? 1, 2, 3. You can also heat up the frame a little bit and then it'll be easier to put in. So now these are clear glasses. This is how the glasses look with the clear lenses. They look very stylish. This is how it looks with the blue mirror coat lens. Looks very cool and stylish. This is how the dark gray color looks. And this is how the light tint lens looks. So you can use this day and night. Okay, so when you're ready to set this up for your phone, you're gonna open up the app. The app is called Ear Dance. Okay, and then once you turn it on, you're gonna hold down the on button right here. And then once it's on, you're gonna connect it, right? So you gotta go to settings. It's called OhO Sunshine. And then once it's connected, you can see that it's active and it shows the battery level. Then once you go back, then you have your different options. You could do free talk, translation machine mode, glasses and phone mode, voice notes, audio and video translation, and photo translation. So we could go with glasses. And then from here, you could just have the person speak their language. When you want this to translate it, you press the speak button, and then when the person speaks, then it will translate it. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo David.
Hello, how are you? My name is David.
You see, so it will translate it on the phone screen and on the speaker on the earpiece. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description and you can get this from Amazon.com. Overall, I like these smart translation glasses. It's very easy to use. I like how you're able to change the look of the glasses with either the clear lenses like I have here or the different sunglasses looks that it comes with. I also like how the battery life lasts a decent amount of time. And I also like how you're able to use these to listen to music, to make phone calls, and to use it as a translation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.